family? Black Phoenix checking in. I was just sitting up here thinking about something, man. I ran into a situation where I was doing something with the kids and trying to get some things lined out. And I had a friend of mine hit me up, and I told him, man, I got caught up, you know, but I hit you back up. And when I was ready to hit him back up, I guess they felt like whatever I got caught up, in wasn't, that important or whatnot, or didn't even give me an opportunity to, let them know when I called. I was like, hey man, let me tell you about what happened. But I never was given the opportunity because they started acting sometime, you know what I mean? Like as if whatever I had going on, me driving 20 hours to come get my kids, turn around, driving 20 hours back, got to meet up with their parents and stuff like that, as if, I didn't get caught up. You know what, man? It just made me think about something, man. You can't please everybody. Even when you try to be 100 with them, you say, hey, I'm going to be 100. I ain't got no reason to lie to you, you know what I mean? I'm going to call you, let you know what's going on. But most people are just selfish, man. They just feel like whatever they got going on is most important, you know what I mean? Not taking into consideration what somebody else is doing, I just think it's BS, but, it is what it is, man. You can't change folks, man. Just all I can say when the situation's like them, man, just live your life, do what you got to do, man, and let it be what it is.